सो आई नो बहुत टाइम हो गया है। मैंने अभी तक 10 days हो गए ऑलमोस्ट मैंने वीडियो अपलोड नहीं की। थैंक यू गाइस। पता नहीं 150 व्यूज़ है उस वीडियो पे। थैंक यू। इट्स अ स्लो स्टार्ट बट इट्स स्लो, इट्स फाइन। इट टेक्स टाइम टू रीच अ पॉइंट, बट आई एम नॉट लूजिंग होप. I will still try to be consistent. Consistent is in big quotation marks. So today I am going to talk about something that will kill all your brain cells if the CBSE board exams have already not killed them. But today I am going to talk about Twitter. More specifically, चूतिया. चूतियाज ऑन ट्विटर. किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ा ब्रीफ में बात करते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो जब मैं नो वे होम देखने गया था तभी एक और मूवी रिलीज़ हुई थी. फॉर पीपल हु डू नो, इट्स अ मूवी नेम्ड 83. इट्स बेस्ड ऑन द क्रिकेट matches. I do not follow cricket. Matches that took place in 1983 between India and South Africa. I wouldn't go into the exact details, but it was a legendary win for India, because in this time period, जो time था उस time पे people had completely lost all hope from Indian team because of a string of bad luck. Understandable. Like अभी भी इंडिया कुछ अच्छा नहीं खेल रही. I do not watch cricket, but I can tell you कि India fucks up sometimes. It's fine. But the team during the 83 matches, I'm not sure whether it was World Cup or not. Yeah, it was World Cup, right? 83 World Cup. India's performance against South Africa was like a historical moment. A match against South Africa and winning was historic at that time. So, Kabir Khan decided to make a movie on it. And honestly, the reviews and everything tells me that it was a good movie. People liked it. I haven't watched it. I probably wouldn't watch it. But honestly, for Indian public, the movie was good. It's a patriotic movie, as you know, because except 15th August and 26th January, there is a lot of time between those 2 days. So you have to release one or the more patriotic movie, to gather some people. It's a completely different topic about why people like patriotic movie. The over patriotic themes, लौड़ा लसन, वो सब चुतियापा साइड में रख के, thing I'm going to majorly talk about is how people are trying to cancel somebody. Yes, guys, it's that time again. People are again trying to cancel somebody, and that somebody is Ranveer. People are trying to cancel him for very obvious reasons, because he has made a movie. Like, wow, a guy made a movie. Fucking cancel him. Oh my god. Now, why are people trying to cancel him? It's because of the controversy surrounding Sushant's death, his crazed up fans. Those fans are fucking psycho. Like they will cancel everybody in Bollywood. Everybody. Does not matter if you're a good actor or a bad actor. They will cancel everybody just to prove that Sushant was a better actor than everybody. He was a better human than everybody. He was like the epitome of good person. See, this is the problem with people. They cannot appreciate something before it's already too late. That is something that I have learned in the last year. You keep on completely getting, distracted, sidetracked, and keep on, ignoring a person, and later वो आके आपकी गांड मार के जाते हैं. This is what happened. People kept on ignoring him, did not appreciate him, and now his fans are trying to overcompensate it by trolling all the actors present in Bollywood. See, somebody like Salman Khan would probably deserve some trolling. हो जाती है गलतियाँ, सब्र से इश्क महरूम है. साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे. Even he did a good job in Antim. Like, it was a good movie. It was a Marathi movie का rip off था. Still, I can appreciate him for trying to do something else. Like he could fucking make Dabang sequels for his entire life and he would not lose one penny for obvious reasons. क्योंकि इंडियन ऑडियंस कितने भी बकचोदी मार ले, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो वही देखने जाएंगे जो ट्विटर पे बकचोदी करेंगे. But now coming to the point, is it important for Ranveer Singh to get quote unquote trolled or cancelled? No. It's a movie. Except Ranveer Singh, there are 11 more actors. There is Pankaj Tripathi, Deepika Padukone. I don't care if you call everybody in Bollywood drugwood or whatever that bullshit, and you throw various types of controversial conspiracy theories at me that why Sushant was not actually murdered. He actually had this, the height of the ambulance, the stretcher ka size, and all this shit is probably interesting to somebody who is too much into conspiracy theory. I had followed Sushant's case for 3 months, after which I just thought like, I just put कि भाई Occam's razor है. You know Occam's razor, for people who do not know, Occam's razor means the simplest answer is often the correct one, where in this case the simplest answer that it was a suicide. And I genuinely do not want to get into the details that why there are a lot of problems. There are some fishy things that happened. There were some loops in bureaucracy. Loda Lasan, ज़्यादा बड़ी बड़ी बातें बक चुका हूँ मैं already. To get to the point, सुशांत के फैन चूती है, and I wouldn't even call them fans. I would say they are sort of a propaganda spreaders, if you understand, if you get the point where I'm going. They are basically people who are interested in canceling people. You know, something I talked about in the last video. It was religional, but this is something else. So who exactly are these people? These people are responsible for, all the hashtags that you see. They are unemployed people. They get 5 rupees per tweet because some of these tweets are masterpiece. And I actually went and did some amazing research, including, moving the cursor over their profile and seeing the other peoples that they follow. And guess what? Name an actor who has died in recent times. Siddharth Shukla, for example. Remember when he died, there were, hashtag this, hashtag that there was another conspiracy theory that apparently Siddharth had also not died of natural causes but suicide, and भैंचोद ये लोग बकचोदी पेल रहे थे. उस टाइम पे भी कुछ hashtags चले थे, same people were responsible. See, I will get to the point. These are idiotic bullshit. Every day if you open Twitter, which you should not, I'm very sorry to tell you this, do not open Twitter every day like me. मैं तो भैंचोद कंटेंट के लिए गटर में भी घुस जाऊंगा, but honestly I would not suggest people going to Twitter every day because it just takes a part of your mental peace. This is bullshit. To be honest, I just open Twitter either to get some content or there are some funny trolling if present. But whenever you open Twitter, you will say that in trending there are 3 things present. One, either it is something related to BTS, who I have already talked about. Yes, they do not have bots. They are genuine fans, crazed fans, honestly. And then there are these Bollywood fans, the Justice for SSR, Justice CBI pending SSR. Like they have completely, used all types. तो जितने भी टाइप के हैशटैग सोच सकते हो सारे टाइप के हैशटैग वो यूज़ कर चुके हैं. हर टाइप के हैशटैग लगा चुके हैं. हैशटैग जस्टिस फॉर SSR, हैशटैग दिस फॉर SSR, दैट फॉर SSR, CBI फॉर SSR, SBI फॉर SSR. They have used everything that is imaginable. But now it's just getting too late. See, I get it that the guy was good. He died under mysterious circumstances. There are a lot of conspiracy theories that I would genuinely like people to search about, but not this, honestly. I know that people will hate me for not liking a actor. Means he was a good actor, but genuinely spending so much time on something while there are shit lot of things happening outside, not my cup of tea. Sorry. To summarize all this bullshit, please, I would request these people who are continuously tweeting and putting all this bullshit on trending, clearly have a propaganda. Please do not open Twitter every day. You will have permanent brain damage, probably brain. That's a lot of damage. Entire life, if I'm sure. I'm still doing research. I'm still opening it every day because I like the taste of salt. You might not. There are some triggering bullshit and some really amazing loops in logic. कुछ चीज़ें तो सच में दिमाग खराब कर देती है. Now, cancel a movie because it for one actor who genuinely speaking hasn't done anything. I've seen the ad. It has nothing to do with. See, just ignore this bullshit. Go watch the movie if you like it. If you do not like it, do not watch the movie. Go watch No Way Home. I am getting paid enough for reading through at least 22k tweets. Do not stop tweeting every hour like fucking bots. Stop using bots for this bullshit. And if you would like more content, go watch other parts of my videos. Don't know, पता नहीं कैसे outro बनाते यूट्यूबर्स इतने smooth. I am still not smooth with this shit. Consider subscribing if you like the video. Like the video. If you did not like the video, I don't fucking care. Dislike कर सकते हो, but it will not display it. Thank you, YouTube.